Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Nationalist Congress Party kalapan pau bak Kloi ban Pdiang yu Menteri Rangba barim kejela u Dr. Mukul sangma Lada uwan Pynïasoh asya ka party. Haba kali la ka party kan penrung ne yu Menteri Rangba barim unong yalam bakham Rangba jong NCP u bediru u MLA barim ka Kharkuta u Omillo ke sangma udaong bak ka party kan Pdiang ngobha yu Dr. Mukul Lada ujiat Biang ban Pynïasoh bat gasing. Habakran syikilat patai kubur u Omillo ke sangma udaong bak NCP kadang yai trei ban penkhlanya ke parti da ke bawalam ikinong yalam ki bakham pet ki bandan ke jingno senyang ke bedai nak bentah ke roi kapar hagajela. Ulaban Biang bak jingkhang jong ke parti kadang yai pli nak bentah kinong yalam nak ki weipat ki parti lada ki kwa ban Pynïasoh bat ban trei nak bentah ke bahakamiat jong ke jela berok ke wei. Hendrai udaong bak jingjob hi nak bentah ke election ke syong nak jingjiet jong upat ba. Ula benrap bak NCP ke pai kemat syaga jing penskam ya jing kershan jong kipat ba kat ba ke jela kadang penkre ya jing yakun election.
His coming and not coming is depend upon him, but if he convince us to stay in our party, so we have to consult with what leaders. They are in Delhi, in Mumbai. We have to consult with them. So we have to say party is not belong to me. Party belongs to people. We have to say it.